Hello. I will be making instructional videos for each of the modules that I put out for this class over the semester. So weeks 1 and 2, I just offer this as a bit of advice. Students in the past have printed this page out, and just kind of crossed items out as they've gone. It seemed to work well for them. So everything that you'll be expected to do over the 2 weeks is on here. I've highlighted the assignments that you have to get through. This is behaving a little differently than learning management systems I've used in the past, but if you open the syllabus video, I know this is the world's most exciting thing, but please watch it. If I go through the trouble of creating a video, there is a solid reason you need to watch it, okay? So open it up, give it a view. The syllabus, I've posted it here. You can get to it there as well. Don't forget, when you get a minute, to click over to Simple Syllabus. And when it loads, you're going to need to, down here there will be a little box that says I've read the syllabus, and you need to check it and hit submit. So we have it on record that you've read the syllabus. Then afterwards, there is a syllabus check, and the quiz takes questions from both the syllabus and the syllabus video. So, why do you need to watch the syllabus video? There are questions on this quiz that I mentioned in the video. So, the good old introduction discussion. Answer all these questions fully. Throw in anything else you'd like. These slides I tweaked a little to make more Heartland specific. Just changing contact information. Nothing substantial has been changed. And I mention this because these videos that I have attached, you'll notice, are for Political Science 115, which is the name of pretty much exactly this course at Illinois Central College, so don't be confused by that. You're watching the right video. I just saw no need at all to re-record anything, since it's exactly the same information. There's a part 2, then talk about Magna Carta, which I discuss here in this video why we do that. And again, these are long. I know they're long. Pause it. 5 minutes, 7, 10 minutes, however long. You don't need to take it all in at once. In fact, you're less likely to remember it if you watch it all the way through. Unless you're just captivated by what I have to say. Just take a break. Give your brain a rest. So then, it's the exercise. So you download the PDF here. You will see these on your first exam. So what I want you to do is, on a separate document, Question 1, what was the name of the leader of the barons that rebelled against King John? Answer, da-da-da-da-da. I have it formatted right here. Question 1, answer 1. So that way, it's just easier to grade, because it's pretty cleanly formatted. So, answer 1, you'll notice in here also, there are multiple choice questions. You shouldn't be saying A, C, D, F. It should be A, parliamentary sovereignty. B, freedom of speech. C, equality before the law. I want you to do that, not just give me letters. Then you're doing a little reading in your textbook. Nothing in this book is more than 13, 14 pages. All right. So just read it. It's not a whole lot of reading. Some people like these. I include them. I'll talk about them in videos some, but for the most part, I just leave these lecture slides up for those who like more, more of the visual. You'll see what I mean here in a second. So, it's not really, it's good information, just good side information. But nothing I really feel a great and pressing need to make a lecture video about in most cases. This is optional. If Canvas ever does this, it just refuses to connect, just click on the title of the video and it'll take you right there. And that's what you're supposed to watch. Well, optional, but encouraged. Just go ahead and watch it. All right, then a quiz on the reading. Discussion for weeks 1 and 2. Now make sure you read instructions. This happens at Illinois Central a lot. They'll post a response and not know that they need replies. So read instructions to assignments to ensure you get all the points that are coming to you. And then critical thinking questions. Responses should be typed. Each answer should be between 250 to 500 words and free from grammatical errors and misspellings. And 3 questions. So, nothing terrible, but a decent chunk of work for the first 2 weeks. And it would be advisable also, while I'm thinking about it, there's always something else. I'm always forgetting something. To go through this module, as if you don't have Microsoft 365, the college lets you download it for free. All right, if there are any questions, comments, concerns, please reach out. If not, have a great 2 weeks, and I'll see you next time.